and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday. Fantastic Friday. Last night I prepared a pork stir fry with vegetables I purchased from the Yuba City Certified Farmers Market, which included some what I'm calling zebra striped zucchini and some yellow green-ish squash. It was very yummy. I kept it very light. I told you I would tell you what I used in it, the herbs and whatever, today. So I used some dried basil. I used the dried basil that I dried from the farmer's market. This is basil, not Thai basil. And then I added just a little bit of cilantro flakes because it had the white wine. Yeah, it was really good, nice and light. And I did add a few splashes of soy sauce, good old Kiekelman's soy sauce. So it had the zucchini, the squash, some red onion, garlic, of course, and the shrooms, the shroom variety pack that I got from Corey up in Auburn. Again, those came from the farmer's market. And I served that over my baked brown rice. Now tonight, I switched it up. I decided to not do two stir fries in a row, and I have gone to tomorrow's, which is going to be today, which is garlic shrimp and baby red potatoes, and I'm going to keep on looking at my notes, and cheesy garlic green beans. Let's get to it. Got the hardware out. Yes, I'm using the wok because I'm going to basically stir fry the garlic instead of using, you know me, I love my wok. Got a couple roasting pans for the beans and the potatoes. So I have some 4150 need to be peeled shrimp, some veggie stock, a little bit of lemon juice, some olive oil for the wok, sriracha, Italian herb blend, which is actually from the local spicery. Also some onion powder and some paprika from the local spicery. And possibly, I might not add it, some red chili pepper flakes, some good old clover butter, and some cilantro for garnish. And then we'll add the baby red potatoes. I love what Rayleigh's has done. This is 1.5 pounds of really nice, small baby red potatoes. This really works out really well for us. It's going to have garlic, of course, some red onion, and kosher salt, black pepper. And for the beans, these beans are from the farmer's market. They'll have some Parmesan, some mozzarella, garlic, of course, because it's in the title, and some olive oil. Pretty simple dishes and meal. Prep won't take me too long. So look for tomorrow's, I'm supposed to do today's dish, but I'll keep you posted on how the day goes. So on this fantastic Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and as always, have fun cooking.